Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a stiffened petticoat. Normally this would have been a corded petticoat or a quilted petticoat, but I decided to just make a normal petticoat using horsehair braid and some plain white fabric. I'm just going to use a 2-meter long piece of fabric, as wide as the height of my skirt should be, and then I'm going to stiffen this with a few rows of horsehair braid at the bottom and in the middle. The materials I'm using can be found in the description down below, so if you decide to make this as well, just take a look at that. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to pin the bottom hem of the skirt in place. I'm going to use a wide rolled hem, as I've made the skirt a bit longer than it would be necessary, as I want this skirt to serve me for many years to come. Next, I'm going to pin a length of the horsehair braid onto the hem. Time to sew everything in place. Time to add another row of horsehair braid. I've decided to place the next row quite near the bottom as well. So I'm going to pin in place another 2 meters. Right here. Now I've sewn the second row of horsehair braid right here. And now I'm going to sew 2 further rows up here near the middle of the skirt. I don't really see any special reinforcement, any very drastic change in the behavior of the fabric, but you never know until the skirt is finished. So I'll just keep going, and after that it will be time for the pleats. So here you can see the spacing of the horsehair braid. As you can see, I did 4 rows of it, and now it's time for the pleats. Once the pleats are set, I'm going to sew them in place. Now everything that's left to do is to sew together the two sides of the skirt at the back, and then we're good. And now the petticoat is done. What I didn't show in the video was that I also attached a little waistband. So now at the back I got a small opening here to slip into the skirt more easily, and once I have it in position I can simply pull the ribbons I've attached to it and tie them in front. Once the pleats were in, the horsehair braid started to hold out the skirt nicely, and that's it. I'm really pleased with how this came out. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe below, as I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel by March 31st. So if you want to be part of that, go and subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!